Simplifying algebraic fractions. Let's look at the first example. So here we've been asked to simplify 4x divided by 6x. So this one is fairly straightforward. So we divide the top and the bottom by x. So we get x into x goes once, x into x goes once. Then we can divide the top and the bottom by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then from there we do 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3. So our answer is 2/3. So let's look at another. We have 8x cubed divided by 12x squared. So we'll divide the numbers first. So we'll divide 4 into the top and the bottom. That's the biggest number that we'll divide into both of them. So we get 8 divided by 4 is 2, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then x squared divides into x cubed and x squared, so x cubed divided by x squared leaves us with x. X squared divided by x squared, of course, is 1. Then we have 2 multiplied by x is 2x, 3 times 1 is 3, so my answer is 2x over 3. Let's look at simplifying another one. Okay, so we're going to look at the numbers first. So we can see that the biggest number that divides into 36 and 27 is 9. So that goes in 4 times and 3 times. Then a's, we've got a, we'll divide into both of these. So a into a goes once. A squared divided by a is a. And then last but not least, we have our b's. So we've got a b to the power 5 and the b cubed. So the highest factor is b cubed, so b to the power 5 divided by b cubed will leave us with b squared, and b cubed divided by b cubed, of course, is 1. Then 4 times 1 times b squared is 4b squared. 3 times a times 1 is 3a. So this is our final answer. Now the next example is slightly different. Okay, we can see that we have a algebraic expression on the top and another algebraic expression on the bottom. Now when you have to simplify algebraic fractions and you see this scenario with the expression on the top and the bottom, the most common thing that you will do first of all is try and factorise the top and the bottom. Now if we look at the top, we can factorise a 4 out of both the numbers and an x squared out of both the x terms. So that will give us 4x, and then inside the brackets we will have 2x and a 1. Now when it comes to the bottom, you can see that it is a quadratic expression with 3 terms, and as the coefficient in front of the x squared term is not 1, it will be a bit trickier. Now here is my hint. Whenever you factorise the top to get a bracket, often this bracket will be one of the brackets whenever you factorise this 3-term quadratic expression on the bottom. That's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to write that bracket down on the bottom. Then in order to get the -4, the number in the second bracket would have to be a +4. And in order to get 6x squared, the x term needs to be 3x. So let's try that. So we've got 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times +4 is +8x. -1 times 3x is -3x. And -1 times +4 is -4. And if we tally that up, we do indeed get 6x squared plus 5x minus 4, which is what we were looking for. So it is being correctly factorised. So now that we have factorised the top and the bottom, we will now look to see what we can cancel out. So now that we've factorised the top and the bottom, we're going to look to see what we can cancel out from the top and the bottom. So obviously we know that we have these in common, so we can cancel them out first. And then check what's left. Is there anything else that can be cancelled out? No, there's not. So our final answer is 4x squared divided by 3x plus 4. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video and then have a go. How did you get on? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and then have another go.